Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I've got a box opening from Stance. That's that monthly sock subscription that I subscribe to. I know not watch related, but I do subscribe to a couple different things, and I figured I would do box openings on them just so you guys could see them. Before I open that, just to keep it a little watch related, I'm wearing that Martinero Edgemire since I just did the follow-up on it. But let's go ahead and crack this open. So if you guys have watched the other videos on my Stance subscription, you know it's a monthly sock subscription. There's a lot of different choices and options you can do with them as far as how many socks, how frequent, whatever. I mean, a lot of different choices. I'll say I got some crazy ones this go around, so let's take a look here. Alright. Looks like we got some monster claws and craziness going on. So these ones say Neckface. Everyday combed cotton crew height light cushion. They got the MSRP on these socks at $18. Little bit of crazy shenanigans. Let's see what we got. Bad brains, huh? This in. Definitely some bright, colorful, crazy socks on those ones from, let's see, Regulator. Got an MSRP of $16 on those ones. Definitely different. Alright, we got another pair of their Star Wars socks. First order, MSRP at $21. To be honest, guys, I mean, I know if you've watched any of them, I'll link to my other videos from Stance. I know they're a little bit more expensive when it comes to socks, honestly, but I'll say this, the dress socks and even those super funky like no-show socks that I got in the last one, crazy comfortable. Honestly, their socks so far to me have been way more comfortable than I expected. And yes, it is on the higher price wise, but they're a lot more comfortable than a lot of the cheaper dress socks and stuff that I've gotten in the past. So is it worth it? You know, if you're going to wear them every day, or, you know, I wear dress socks pretty much every day to work. So the more comfortable they are, the better off I am. So I think it's worth the extra money, and I might go another month just so I can get some more of those no-show socks because they were super comfortable. But this was going to be my last box opening from Stance, so if there is any other subscriptions you guys want me to check out and do box opening on, please let me know in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.